Hi, it's Admin here, and today I will show you a very nice trick which I learned not a long time ago. So as you can see, I am logged in to Vmware and my vCenter is running 6.0 version. However, I want to update this vCenter to version 7.0. And one of the pre-checks I'm doing is to check if the SSL certificate is valid and if it's running the correct protocol. To do so, we will not use any codes. I'm using the Chrome, so I will press F12 on my keyboard, and you see that's the develop console. So we are going here to those two arrows and we're looking for tab called security. If you click on the security, you have all the information about the certificate, and you see that is using TLS 1.2. So this is what we want to know. Okay guys, that's it for today for now. I hope you learned something new like I did. And please leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!